Greetings! This is Sarah Canary, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. Our new site publisher feature, which we will introduce in cPanel and WHM version 56, allows you to quickly create a simple website from one of several templates, even if you've never created a website before. Not sure whether you should use this feature? Here's a few reasons why you might want to give Site Publisher a try. You might want to use it if you only need a simple website to list contact information or business hours, if you're working on a more elaborate website, but it's not ready yet and you'd like to publish something simple now as a placeholder, or maybe you purchased a domain for yourself, your business, or a project that you're working on, but you haven't quite decided what you want to do with it yet and you'd like to try a website out. Basically, you should use Site Publisher whenever you just want to publish a website and you don't need extra bells or whistles. So, let's go ahead and log into cPanel. And here we are in the cPanel home interface. Let's scroll down to the Domains section and click the Site Publisher icon. The Site Publisher interface will appear. As you can see, when I access this interface, the first thing that I see is a list of domains, add-on domains, and subdomains on the account. But don't worry if this isn't what you see. If you're a new cPanel user and only have a single domain, your main domain, cPanel will skip this step and take you straight to the step to pick your website's template. If you have more than one domain, add-on domain, or subdomain, you have to start out by picking the domain that you want to use for your new website. Let's start by selecting a domain. For each domain in the list, you're going to see the domain name and the location of the domain's files in your account's file system. This is a directory that we call the document root. You can click on the domain name to open the domain in a new browser window, or click on the document root to open up the domain's files in the File Manager interface. If you have a bunch of domains on your account, you might see this list as multiple pages. Use the arrows to browse through pages of domains to find the domain you want, or search for the domain with the search text box. When you find the domain that you want to use, click to select it. cPanel will automatically hide the list of domains and display the next step, with a list of templates that you can choose from. If you want to make sure you selected the right domain, you can see the selected domain name right here. Your hosting provider decides which templates you see in the list, but you're usually going to see at least some templates here that cPanel provides. Browse the templates until you find one that you like, and then click to select it. When you select the template, cPanel will automatically hide the list of templates and display the next step. Just like with the selected domain, you can verify the selected template right here, and you'll see the template preview image again here. In this step, you'll enter the content for your new website. Which fields you see here depend on the template that you selected. As you can see, each template is a little different. I selected the Under Construction template, so I'm going to fill out the title, description, and email address text boxes. I don't have a Google Analytics Tracker ID, so I'm going to leave that box blank for now. When you're done filling in your website's information, click Publish. A confirmation page will appear with a link to see your new website. I can also use the links on this page to perform some other helpful actions, like setting up new email addresses or managing my website's files. Our other cPanel tutorial videos can help you learn to perform these tasks and many others within the cPanel interface. Let's go ahead and click that link to see my new website. Now that my website is set up, visitors will see this page whenever they visit my domain. If I want to change anything, I can just repeat the steps here for the same domain and cPanel will automatically fill in my existing information so that I only need to change the things that I want to change, and then click Publish again. For more information about cPanel, visit cPanel.com or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thanks for watching and happy automating!